This video demonstrates how to unpack and set up your T6000 printer. After carefully unpacking your T6000, you'll notice the standard and optional interface connectors located at the back of the printer. Standard ports provided are RS-232, debug, SD card slot, USB and Ethernet. Optional connections include parallel, GPIO, and wireless interfaces. The 6-inch T6006 has a wireless option card installed, and the 4-inch T6704 has a parallel option installed. To begin using your T6000, plug in the provided AC power cord and turn your T6000 on to begin the printer setup wizard. The first time you power up your T6000, the printer wizard automatically starts and guides you in making choices for successful operation of the printer. If you are familiar with the T6000 and prefer not to use the wizard, you can exit the setup wizard by pressing the left soft key labeled Quit. During the setup, if you see a QR barcode on any screen, you can scan it with your smartphone for more information and video support. In addition to selecting display language, this wizard covers LCD brightness, media and ribbon installation and configuration, media sensor positioning, and media sensor types, so you will be able to print a test label to verify your setup. Navigation through the setup wizard is done with the left and right arrow keys. Changing options or performing actions are generally done with the up, down, and enter keys. There are also left and right soft keys whose functions are shown at the bottom of the display. When you have completed the setup wizard, you will have media and ribbon properly installed and calibrated, have a test label printout, and have saved the updates as Configure 1 in the Power Up configuration. Once the setup wizard is complete, go online by pressing the pause key. The status beacon will illuminate. At that time, you can take advantage of the other wizards by going offline and selecting the wizard's menu. The print wizard will guide you through the steps necessary to achieve the best print quality possible. The print quality wizard guides users through printhead pressure settings, media and ribbon compatibility, ribbon tension bar adjustment, print speed, and print intensity. An application wizard will help guide users through image shifting, orientation, media handling and emulation setup to ensure the printer is ready to receive host jobs and print properly. If additional setup is required, press the pause key to place the printer offline, and you will see the home screen with the wizard, settings, and calibrate icons available. Notice that info is shown at bottom right of this display, indicating that the right soft key can be pressed to display the current configuration. Users can also scroll through the entire configuration using the up and down keys to view or print using the right soft key. At any time, pressing the left soft key will take you back to the home screen. By pressing the Enter key with the settings icon highlighted, 6 icons will be visibly available: media, sensors, system, application, host, I/O, and network. By selecting the right soft key labeled Next, you will find additional icons available: configurations, tools, RFID, and validator. Note that if the RFID or validator options are not physically installed, those icons will appear as a faded gray image. Also, the printer will not allow access to those icons and will automatically skip past them. When either the RFID or validator options are physically installed, their icons will be vivid and accessible. In addition, because of their importance, a second set of RFID and validator icons will appear on the upper right corner of the online screen. If the option is disabled, a red diagonal line will show across the icon, reminding the user that the option is installed but disabled. Note that the RFID option is available on the T6000 4-inch wide model only. We hope this video has helped you set up the T6000. Please note that there are additional videos available to help you with specific tasks. We recommend that you view all of these videos to learn more about the T6000 at printronixautoid.com.